Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss character strengths via. In this video we introduce what character strengths are and how you can take an online survey to identify your strengths. So let's get started. What are character strengths? Character strengths are the positive aspects of an individual's personality that contribute to their overall well-being. They're the qualities that make each of us unique and have a profound impact on our lives. The VIA classification of character strength, developed by psychologists Martin Seligman and Christopher Peterson. Studies have shown that individuals who are aware of and utilize their character strengths tend to experience higher levels of life satisfaction. As parents, understanding your child's character strengths can help you nurture their talents and passions, provide appropriate guidance and support. The VIA Institute on Character offers a free online survey that can help you identify your character strengths. Simply visit their website, create an account, and take the VIA Survey of Character Strengths. The survey consists of a series of questions that will help pinpoint your top character strengths. Encourage your child to take the survey as well. It's suitable for children as young as 10. What is your top character strength? Please write and comment. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and share. See you.